So guys, I am the first Indian to do the unboxing of the newly launched Beardo's Beard Activator. So for that, please give me a like. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Deepak SG. So today in this video, we are going to do the unboxing of new Beardo's Beard Activator of 0.55 mm size. This is a newly launched product from Beardo, the beard activator from them, and it's available officially in their website for a price of 549 rupees. There will be weekly deals. Do check it them so that you guys may get it at a discounted price. So this is their newly launched product, and before unboxing this product, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe the channel and also tap the bell notification on so that you will get all the notification from this channel. So now let's do the unboxing. So this is the official Beardo's beard activator of 0.5 mm. So this is the box, and here it's mentioned like sanitize the beard activator after each use using disinfecting alcohol solution. Make sure your beard and the activator are clean and dry before use. Use cotton balls or fingers to apply the growth oil after using the beard activator. Do not apply them to the beard activator. If you drop the beard activator or if it gets crushed or damaged, discard it. Bent needles can cause injuries, and replace worn beard activator every 2 months. Okay, and don't share it with others. So these are the instructions, and how to use is also given, like prepare your skin by cleansing your beard with the beard wash, and roll the beard activator gently on the skin without hair, first horizontally, then vertically, and last diagonally. Apply enough pressure only to feel a slight prickling sensation, not deep enough to cause pain. If there is hair in the area, move the beard activator in the direction of the hair growth. Make sure to rinse the beard activator in warm soapy water. Dip it in a disinfecting alcohol solution and let it dry after each use. Next step is like after using the beard activator, apply the Beardo beard growth oil and mustache growth roll on. Okay, so this is the how to use instruction, and these are the caution instructions. And here it's mentioned the price like 750 rupees, but you guys can buy it for 550 rupees in their website. Okay, and if you want, you guys can also buy it as a kit, the Don Beardo's beard growth pro kit. In that you will get this and all the accessories like the beard wash and mustache growth roll on and the beard oil for 999 rupees. So that's a good deal. Otherwise, if you just want the beard activator, then you can buy it for the price of 550 rupees. Okay, so let me keep all these accessories to the side. So guys, now let's unbox the Beardo's beard activator 0.5 mm. So let's open it from here. Okay, so we will get another box like this. It's mentioned Beardo beard activator. Okay, this is actually the Derma rollers box, and now let's open it. Okay, and this is the official Beardo's new Derma roller. The quality seems good. Here it's mentioned as Beardo, and this is the Derma roller. You will have to use the Derma roller after washing your face with the Beardo's beard wash, and you can use it. After that, you will have to apply the beard oil. So this is a new product and the quality seems good. It's a company product, so nothing to fear. So after using the Derma roller, you should properly clean it, then only you should keep it inside this box. Okay, so that's a must that you should clean the Derma roller because you are using it directly on your skin. Okay, so definitely clean it and keep it inside the box, and we can close it like this. Okay, so this is the Derma roller box from Beardo. It's of good quality, and this is the box in which we will get the beard activator. So this is a very good product for 549 rupees. So definitely purchase it if you want to. So guys, I am the first Indian to do the unboxing of the newly launched Beardo's beard activator. So for that, please give me a like. So that was the quick unboxing of the new Beardo's beard activator 0.5 mm. So I am the first to do the unboxing of this. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like and also subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel. Hope we can see you in the next video. Bye guys.